and welcome to the exquisite unboxing. Here we got 6 aircrafts to unbox, and let's start off from smallest to biggest. First off, we have Iraqi Airways Boeing 737 MAX 8, and which registration is YIASX. So then let's just unbox it. Wait, let's slowly. Wow, let's just lift this. Here we have the Iraqi Airways 737 MAX 8. Very nice. I was about to say on here, I can't speak Arabic, but then when you turn it around, oh my gosh, the wing is not stable. Well, I mean, it's fine. Iraqi Airways. Pretty cool. Nice model. And out of 1 in 100%, I mean, it's pretty nice. So I'd say like a 90 to 95, somewhere around there. Let's just put you off to the side. Next up, we have a Swiss Airbus 320 Neo. Let's just unbox it. The scale is a 1 in 400. Get out. Okay, let's just take this out. Then we have the actual model in here, but I see one more thing. What is this? A card or something? Oh. Let's just take that out. Put you back in there. We have a card, which is very cool. I'll just put you over to the side too. And now let's unbox the actual plane. Let's go. Here we have it. The Swiss Airbus A320 Neo. It looks pretty short for some reason. I thought it was longer, but I guess it's just short or something. Like, compared to the 737 MAX 8, it's literally like the same size, bro. But it's overall good as well. Like, so again, 90 to 95% from 1 to 100. Next, we have a Southwest Boeing 737 Nevada livery. Well, got this because I live in Nevada. But look at it. It's basically like, I guess, the Southwest livery with the tail just being normal, but like the body and stuff, like the fuselage and the nose and like all that, just like being like the Nevada flag on it or something. Here we have the Nevada livery, Southwest 737 MAX 8. This is very cool actually. I like how they kind of made the battle worn like around, and also on the bottom there's like nothing, so like, yeah, rollable landing gears, which is cool. The tail's normal. Oh my gosh, I just realized something. The US flag is reversed. Oh no. And like the nice leaves. And yeah, also 92 to 96. And now we're going this way with the Air Seychelles 767-300ER. 1 in 400 as well. And registration S7FCS. Look at this. Here we go. This is just causing a giant mess or something. Here it is. The Air Seychelles 767-300ER. This thing is beautiful, like birds. Also, the green stripes are just nice. Overall, I rate this a 95 to 99. And let's put you over to the side as well. Now, we have the second biggest. Turkmenistan 777-200LR. Turkmenistan Airways. Here it is. This thing is actually pretty big. Basically as big as my Air France 777, but yeah. Well, this thing is big. It has the gear tilt, which is really cool. At least so that I can do a butter landing. But anyways, this is nice and green. I don't know what this is for. I don't know what it means or something. I don't know what kind of symbol it is. But it's pretty cool. I rate this also the same as the Air Seychelles, which is a 95 to a 99. And last but not least, the Copa Airlines 737 MAX 9. This is the 1 in 200, which is the biggest. That's the reason why. But let's see what's in there. First off, we have these things, which I don't know what they're used for, but yeah. You can already see this giant mess over here, which caused. Whoa, look at this, guys. Let's put you there. Yo, look at this. Oh my, wait, can you actually like retractable landing gears while I pull them up? What? Okay, we have stuff in here, so let's just do a belly land for this thing. Okay, now let's just put you over to the side, see what you are. I guess this is the front landing gear since there's only one, and then, so let's just open it. Get down. Oh, what is this for? What? I'm confused. Is this I guess this is for closing it, which we don't want to close it now. We want to keep it open. Oh, what? I'm confused about this now. Oh, these are for here? Oh, these are the ones that are retracted. These are all retracted. Like this. So this is a nice add-on to keep these closed. And then wait, how do we get them out? You can just pull them out, honestly. I mean, I can at least. Wait, so is that why there are those tools or something? Here, let me just see something real quick. After I pull out this landing gear. So where's these things right here? Wooded metal. What? I have no idea what are these used for, but let's just try it or something. Yeah, no, they're way too big. Wait, maybe it's this thing. Maybe we can use these to attack its own self. Let's just get this out. I guess I'll just figure out a way to get that out. But now let's see the actual rollable landing gears that can move. Okay, okay. This looks cool. Alright. You, and then you. Wait, guys, look, so these things can move. Oh, wait, no, wrong way. Wait, that's not it. I think I switched it out. Go there, and then you go there. Yeah, see the nose here? I don't know. Oh, it's still in there. That's Air Canada 143. Wait, how do I just put you in there? No. How do I even get this out though? Maybe not. Maybe this actually. 5 minutes later, still trying to get this out. Is there like something in these? It's already down here. Yo, what's in here? Nothing. Just it. Wait. Yeah, no. Anyways, I'll just continue doing this and comment down below if you want more. And bye.